All right, well, we are commemorating 25 years of the Kargil War, and who else better to explain herself, a war veteran herself, Captain Yashika Tyagi joins us. Thank you so much for joining us, Captain. Thank you so much. 25 years we're commemorating at the Kargil Memorial. You're a veteran yourself. How are you feeling? What are the feelings running in your mind? Could you tell us, have you been here before? And if not, what are your thoughts over it, ma'am?
Thank you for having me on your show. Last time I was here, guns were booming.
Okay.
Indian Air Force planes were flying past. Enemy was sitting on top of the higher mountain ranges. And we fought an effective battle against a determined enemy. Why I say determined? Because enemy was very well entrenched. And enemy had a surprise factor on their side. Despite having a surprise factor on their hand, despite having time and place of their choosing, the Indian Army rose up to the occasion. And how that battle was fought is a big example of how Indian Army is trained. So after coming 25 years later to the same place, and we see this glorious war memorial, Veer Bhumi, where 527 brave soldiers have been, we remember them there. We have this Vijay Path, we have busts of these brave martyrs. It's giving me a feeling of deep gratitude towards Indian Armed Forces that I became a part of it. I became part of it at that time when women were very handful in this organization.
Yeah, I would like to actually interject here and ask you, you being a woman officer yourself, the Indian Army, we were discussing it yesterday, the Army doesn't discriminate on the sex and the gender. Being one of the first in the profession, how was it being in the service as a war veteran and especially as a lady officer? Anything highlight would you like to tell us about how did you manage and what is your story basically?
This question that you have asked is very important because it transcends a journey of almost 30 years of women in armed forces. I was amongst the first 100 girls. I am from very initial batches, and those days girls were very handful. I mean, you can imagine in a million-strong army, you just have handful of women. That is not even like a drop in the ocean. And here, completely in a domain which is alpha male domain, to make your presence felt, and not just presence felt, but you have to perform exactly on the same measure, on the same standards. That Indian Armed Forces grills you, trains you from day one, never discriminates between women and men, and from the training days we were told, never consider yourself as a person, whether you are a male or a female. Once you wear the uniform, it's like your exoskeleton. You are protected by this uniform and that is only your identity. So today when I say I'm Captain Yashika Hatwal Tyagi, Army is the only organization that allows you to retain your rank. And these two medals, they don't differentiate between man or a woman. The bullet that comes flying never discriminates between man or a woman.
And the last question, as we commemorate this anniversary, ma'am, what is your message as a veteran to the people of India watching this? How do we pay more respect as an individual to the armed forces or to the veterans or to the retired soldiers or to the injured soldiers or to who are martyred? What's your message, ma'am?
My message to this very intelligent and very sensitive and very responsible population of India is that Indian Armed Forces is a unique organization. It never asks for anything in return.
No validation.
Our tagline is service before self. We always put our work before us. We lay down our life for the izzat and shan of that tiranga. So public के लिए सिर्फ यही एक message. The only message I want to give public here is be good citizens. Be responsible citizens. Be the kind of citizens that Fauji feels proud to even lay down the life for. Fauj does not need anything, only love, affection and support.
And what's your favorite battle cry?
Oh, my favorite battle cry is Jai Mahakali,
Jai Mahakali.
Aayo Gorkhali.
Well, Jai Hind, ma'am, thank you so much for speaking to Business Today TV. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Jai Hind.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.